What will happen in a drag race between a Volkswagen Golf Mk4 R32 and a Mk7 Golf GTI? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. The Mk4 Volkswagen Golf R32 has a 3.2 litre naturally-aspirated V6 petrol engine with 241 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. It drives all four wheels via a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The car weighs in at 1,477 kilos, and when new back in 2002, it started from just over £22,000. The Mk7 Golf GTI Performance has a 2 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine with 245 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. It drives the front wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at 1,387 kilos. In 2018, the car cost just under £30,000. Hey Sam, what do you think is going to happen? You've got turbo torque, less weight and modernity on your side. I've got 4-wheel drive traction and the best seats that I've ever sat in. Well, among the best seats. These are amazing. I think they're going to make me go quicker.
They really are the best seats I've ever sat in as well. I always lost it after a set of them. You've also got the best noise. That engine sounds incredible.
So let's do it. Let's do the sound check then. And that's with the soft limiter. Oh, so good. Let's hear yours.
What's the point? We're going backwards in life, aren't we?
Yeah, seats in modern cars aren't as good, and the exhaust noise isn't as good either.
Everything about that car is perfect.
My paddle shifters, they're metal as well. Are yours? I bet yours are plastic.
Thin, horrible plastic.
But is the racing as good? Ah, see what I did there? Shall we find out right now and not hang about with this nonsense?
3, 2, 1.
Oh yes, 4-wheel drive traction off the line. Can he come back at me? He's not gonna. Oh, he's coming now. He's coming now. He's coming now.
Oh, it's coming back.
Oh! Do you know what? I think this launch is better than a modern Golf R. It just doesn't try to protect its gearbox. It just goes bang. Your launch was a bit off, wasn't it?
I mean, launch control is basically traction control, right? Whereas this, so I turned off the traction and I launched it and it just sat spinning its wheels through 3 gears.
Okay, little tip. With that car, what I want you to do is put it into sports traction. So just press it once.
So I just pushed traction off and it killed the engine.
Do you want another go?
Yeah, I want another go.
Go on, let's have another go.
Oh, there it is. I've got you now.
Have you though, have you? It's not going to be a sure thing. They don't grip as well as modern cars, but they seem more playful and they like slide a bit more, don't they?
Well, it's just a lot lighter, isn't it?
No, it's not. My car's heavier than your car.
Well, it's lighter in the right places, I guess, then.
I love how you're never wrong. It's an absolute skill. I'd like to see an argument between you and your wife. I'd love to watch it. I'd love to.
I've never won one of them. That woman cannot apologise.
It's probably because she shouldn't. Because he's wrong, but he won't admit he's wrong. Because his wrong is right.
3, 2, 1.
Have you? What?
That's better. Come on.
Have you? I don't know. This is going to be close. It's coming now. He hasn't. He absolutely bloody hasn't.
Oh my God!
I was not expecting that.
This is the worst launch control I've ever driven.
Okay, what I'm going to get you to do is turn it all the way off. Did it bog down?
No, I turned it off halfway. So I had it fully off, it just lit the wheels up. I turned it half off, it half lit the wheels up. But it doesn't manage the power in any way. It's making me angry.
That's a shame, isn't it?
No, I want another go. I'm going to do it off the line. Sod this launch control.
No, you won't. You won't do any better. Trust me, you won't.
So what's the point in the launch control of this if it's not launch control?
Do you know what, Sam? I'll tell you what, let's just swap. I'll let you have a go in this so you feel better about yourself.
Yeah, I want to go in that.
Right then, let's swap cars. Let's swap cars.
Get out. I want this. Look at the seats, look at them. Oh my God, Matt, what does the window taste like? Good Lord.
3, 2, 1.
Bit of wheel spin. Come on. Oh, it's closer. Oh! See ya. What? So I had that time in sport traction control and it nailed it. Yours didn't seem as quick.
No, you know the way this launches with a clunk? It didn't do that. Maybe the gearbox is hot and it's trying to manage it. It didn't clunk that time off the line. I tell you what though, I could absolutely live with this car.
Well, that's very good of you. Really good of you, actually. Are you going to tell Volkswagen that you can live with that car and that you're more than happy to?
Yeah, do you know what? I will.
Hello, man from Volkswagen. I would like to live with your R32. Yeah, that is fine if you would like to live with it. I'm very happy for that. You may have it. There you go, it's yours now.
Wow, it's amazing. Isn't life easy?
It's so easy. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Mk4 R32 won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 14.7 seconds. The Mk7 GTI took 14.9 seconds. However, in the race that the GTI won, both cars did a slower time. Then the Mk7 GTI took 15.4 seconds to do the quarter mile, and the R32 took 15.8 seconds. If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out CarWow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. CarWow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to CarWow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner ping in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, CarWow. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 kilometers an hour from second gear. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow. Look at that.
I mean, now you see the difference. Once you take the traction out of it, this is so much quicker. I mean, look at that.
No hope. Jesus.
Once you take the traction control out of it and all the shenanigans of front wheel drive traction compared to four wheel drive, I mean, this, even though the same power, this is so much quicker. Obviously you've got drivetrain losses and you've got added weight, but wow, turbo torque in it.
Yeah, it's just efficiency and everything, aerodynamics, efficient, all of it. And yeah, that's just times have moved forward with that, haven't they?
And on that bombshell, let's go back to the studio. Other Top Gear related cliches. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on the video windows for some more videos and click on the CarWow logo to compare these cars' quarter mile times to everything else we have ever drag raced in the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching.